In today's video, I will teach you how to create a lightsaber effect in GIMP. Let's get started. First, launch GIMP and open the image that you want to add a lightsaber to by going to File, then Open. Then select your image file. Then add a new layer by going to Layer, then New from Visible, and then a dialog that appears, name your layer Lightsaber. Then set the layer fill type to transparency, then click OK. In the Layers dialog, select the new layer and set its mode to Screen from the Mode drop-down menu. This will allow the white lightsaber to blend with the image. Now choose the Paths tool from the toolbox and use it to create a path for the lightsaber blade by clicking to set anchor points along the desired trajectory of the lightsaber. Then close the path by holding down the Control key and clicking on the first anchor point. With the path still active, right-click on the path and select Path to Selection. This action converts the path into a selection. Now ensure that white is set as your foreground color, then use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the selection with white. Then deselect the selection by going to Select, then None. Now we're going to create the glow. To do this, go to the Layers panel, then right-click the lightsaber layer and select Duplicate Layer. Repeat the step until you have 3 identical layers. Now select the bottommost duplicate layer, then go to Filters, Blur, then Gaussian Blur, then set the blur radius to 5, then click OK. Then select the middle duplicate layer, then apply Gaussian Blur with a radius of 20. Then select the top duplicate layer and apply a Gaussian Blur with a radius of 40. With the topmost blurred layer selected, go to Layer, then Merge Down. This will merge the top layer into the one below it. Repeat the step until all lightsaber layers are merged into one. Now ensure that the merged layer is still set to Screen mode in the Layers dialog. Now go to Colors, then Color Balance to open the Color Balance dialog. Use the sliders to adjust the color of the lightsaber. You can choose any color you prefer for the glow. You may also choose to deselect the Preserve Luminosity option for a different effect. And for final touches, adjust the opacity of the lightsaber layer if needed to achieve the desired intensity of the glow. Then save your edited image by going to File, then Export As, and choose a file format like PNG or JPEG. Additionally, you can save an XCF version to retain the layers for future editing. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.